Hello friends, welcome to our channel CNC Programming and Die Mold. And today's tutorial uh, we are going to cover this intersection curve, and for this intersection curve I am going to use this option on this part. This is my engine wheel support, belt wheel. This is belt wheel support here. So I have a plane in between the part. So now I want to create the intersection between the body, the solid component and the plane. So first I will take this intersection curve and select the face. These are the body face, all the faces are selected. Now my second set is this plane. So the intersection between the solid body and the plane is highlighting here, and it comes in the form of curve. So this curve is generated with that solid body. Further you can use it. You want to extrude this, you can extrude and click OK. Here you are. So in this way you can use your intersection curve. So next option, first in the curve I will use this helix. This is my helix, and just reduce the height. Suppose I want this or number of turn, I need only 6 turn, and radius and the diameter, suppose radius is 30. Now click OK. Now I am going to draw a rectangle on this bottom surface with the center method. Now fillet this. Fillet this as a 8. Again fillet in radius, set the radius to 8. Now finish, and again I will select this plane. This plane is normal to this helix, so click OK. And now I want to create a line, and this must be a little bit longer. Now I will use the swept command. Use this swept command. This is my section curve, and the guide is this. This is not correct, so I will go to this orientation, and here I will select this vector direction and select the vector direction to Z. So here is my output. Now click OK. This is my first surface. Now I will extrude this object and select the none and the body style to sheet. So 2 sheet, I have 2 sheet here. Now I want to create the intersection. First hide the curves so that it will be easier for me to choose the object. My first set is this, my second set is this, and click OK. Now hide the both surface. Here we are. This is my intersection curve with the help of 2 surfaces. Further you can use it with this tube command. Select this and outer curve, preview, and click OK. So This is the intersection command. Hope you understand this properly. We use this command to create intersection curve. So thank you for watching and see you with next tutorial.